Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying 5th chapter and the next point is about the example number 5. We have find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus 3i. Now let us see how we can solve this. So let the given problem, let the complex number be equal to z. Let z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Now for writing the z inverse, that is equal to 1 upon z is equal to z inverse, we have already studied. We have z bar upon modulus of z square, that is conjugate of a complex number upon square of the modulus of the complex number. So we have z bar is equal to, we have already studied, for writing the conjugate we change the sign of the imaginary part. So for 2 minus 3i, conjugate will be 2 plus 3i, and modulus of z is equal to root of a square plus b square. It means this is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. So we will get 2 plus minus 3 square. So you will get, this is 2 square is 4, negative 3 square is again 9. So you will get 4 plus 9, 13, root of 13. It means mod of z square is equal to positive 13. Hence z inverse or multiplicative inverse is equal to, z bar is 2 plus 3i upon 13. It means multiplicative inverse is 2 upon 13 plus 3 upon 13i. Next question, example number 6 is express the following in a plus ib. So first example is 5 plus root 2i upon 1 minus root 2i. Please note, we have to express this in this form. It means we don't want imaginary number at the denominator. It can be please note, a is a real number, it can be in the form of fraction, b can be in the form of fraction, but there is no imaginary number at the bottom, at the denominator. So we don't want this. Now in order to eradicate the imaginary number from the denominator, we need to multiply by its conjugate. So always remember, multiply and divide the given number by the conjugate of the denominator. So if you multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of denominator. Now we have already studied, for writing the conjugate we change the sign of the imaginary part. Numerator remains as it is. Please note, numerator. So this is 5 plus root 2i upon 1 minus root 2i multiplied by conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 plus root 2i upon 1 plus root 2i. Please note, I have changed the sign of the denominator. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So this becomes first term multiplied by first term is 5 into 1 is 5. First term into second is plus 5 root 2i. Second into first is plus root 2i. Second into second is root 2 into root 2 is 2, and I into I is I square upon, at the denominator this is a minus b into a plus b, you will get a square minus b square. Now this is equal to, please note, I square comes, so this becomes 1 square minus root 2i bracket square. Now this is equal to 5 plus 5 root 2 I and root 2 I. This is imaginary part, so imaginary part will get added. 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 6 root 2 I. This is 2 into minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1. I square is equal to negative 1. So I square into 2 is Negative 1 into 2 will become negative 2 upon, at the denominator 1 square is 1 minus root 2 square is 2, root 2 square is 2, I square is again negative 1. Negative 1 multiplied by this will become positive, will get 1 plus 2. So this is equal to, please note, 5 minus 2 can be subtracted, will get 3 plus 6 root 2 I upon 3. Now 3 is, we are having 3 here in both the terms, so let us separate it. This is equal to 3 plus, or 3 can be taken common, we will get 3 taken common 1 plus 2 root 2 I upon 3. Here please note, many students do cancellation of only one term. If you reduce this and if you don't reduce this, it will be, you will get a wrong answer. So here after taking 3 common, you can do the reduction. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 root 2 I. Or you can separate the denominator for both the terms and then reduce it. Next question is, express the following in a plus ib form, and we have I raised to negative 35. Please note, we have already studied I raised to 4k is equal to 1. If I raised to 4k is there, that is equal to 1. That is, if the power is the multiple of 4, then we get the answer 1. This is equal to 1. Now, please note, here we are given I raised to negative 35. I raised to negative 35 means this is equal to 1 upon I raised to 35. Now, in order to get the power as a multiple of 4, please note, if we multiply this by I, we will get I raised to 36. I raised to 36 is a I raised to 4 into 9. So we will get this as a multiple of 4. So in order to get this as 36, we multiply numerator and denominator both by I. Multiply numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator by I. So we will get 1 upon I raised to 35 is equal to I upon I raised to 36. Now this is equal to I upon I raised to 4 into 9. This is 4k form. So value of this is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 upon, sorry, I upon, this is at the numerator we are having 1 I upon 1, hence the answer is I. Thus, if you want to write in a plus ib form, it can be written like this, 0 plus 1 I. So here you notice that a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1.